Hi, hello everyone. So this is the second part of the first video that I made about the GTA trading bot, which is just a new invention and working perfectly. So right now I want to show us the Telegram bot, which is actually sending signals every single time, every single moment, and it's actually very helpful. And why I say this is this: I'll be showing us the unlimited access to different assets in the forex market, and not only in the forex market, even crypto, even indices, even bonds and everything can also be added. But there are a lot of currencies right now. There's a lot of assets on it right now that we can see. So let me stroll behind. Can we see in a day? Let's start in a day. How many signals can we even get in a day? As a trader, I mean, if you were to be a manual trading stuff, maximum is three trades in a day, or sorry, three signals in a day, or five signals in a day, even if you are in a premium group, because of the human being accuracy to get a trade might not be that much of every time, or the efficiency might not even be there. But looking at this bot, March 11, let's say from March 11, how many signals do we have? So I'll try to count real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we lost count, and we can see this is more than 30 signals to 50 signals in a day, compared to the human being accuracy. And out of this whole signal, which has been tested on even TradingView and every other part, we've seen that this signal actually gave 80 to 85% of accuracy, which is pretty interesting. And now I'm going to take a signal. As we even talk, we can see there's a signal coming just right now. So we can see, and some of the different assets we have here, we can see US 30, which says buy. So buy on US 30, price 41420. Let me give you an analysis on the trading view, but before then, let's check with say XAUSD, buy on US 30, sell on sell on Ethereum USD, which is crypto, at price 1,900. The stop loss is like 40 pips, and then the TP is 20 pips. Sorry, TP1, TP2, and TP3. But here we just minimize to be TP1 and TP2, which is 1:2, as you can see. So the SL and the TP here is like 1:. Here is 1:2 as well. And then we can see US 30. We can see Bitcoin, and the price we're going to buy there. We can see a whole lot of what's it called, XAG. This is silver at price 33.022, and it comes at every single time there's an opportunity. But don't let's forget the fact that this has to be taken on a lower time frame for us to have a good accuracy on it, and then for the efficient, when there is a change in market price due to the candles, for you to be able to catch it, just trade on a lower time frame, like 1 minute, maximum 5 minutes. So you can catch it, you trade it, and then you go up. Like I said, this is very good for scalpers. And if you are a day trader as well, you can pick one from a bigger time frame and you can trade it. We can see Euro USD. So we've seen gold, we've seen Euro USD, we've seen silver, we've seen US 30, we've seen ETH, we've seen Bitcoin, we've seen which one else? Yeah, I think these are the one added now, because there is still a lot of improvement that we are inputting on this, and a lot of data we are inputting on this every single day, just to make sure that once the verification is made, we are adding this to the bot. So now, for example, US 30 say we should buy at price 41420. So let me go to my trading view, and then we have US 30. Okay, this is my US 30, and then it says we should buy. Okay, let me go to 1 minute time frame. So 1 minute time frame say buy on US 30, and then using 1:1 from here. So that means from this particular point in time, you are going to enter that trade, and then you allow it to go to the TP. And if you want to do 1:2, you can just come here. Depending on you, you can also change the way you want to use it. Let's try to check this particular buy that this thing picked up during the news. Okay, I'm going to go look for it. That was 230. That was 230. And there's a buy. Yes, can we say buy US 30? As at this price is 2:30 p.m. and this actually the bot recognizes immediately. Even the one on on TradingView recognized it 2 minutes before that happened. And we can also see here it said there's a buy by 12:39 p.m. So let's go look for it. Yes, this is buy US 30 on there's a buy on US 30, and we can easily see that this even gave us very great entry. Not even 1:1, but almost 1:5, which is pretty interesting. Okay, so now that we've already understood how that works on the Telegram bot and then this, I want to teach us how to tweak this. So there is a setting to it. Just come here, and then let's say you don't want to see the bot, you can also hide it. But I'll advise you, please don't delete it, because it's not out there and you can't even find it under the indicators over here, because it's just built on your own TradingView. And then we have this here. Let it load. Then you can come to the setting, sensitivity, and factor, and the factor. That's the two things we're going to be working on. So, and as I'm even talking right now, the bot is giving me signal, like it's spamming me with signals to make a whole lot of money and good entries in the market. So if you want to do this, just understand that high sensitivity is going to give you less trade. Like it's going to be lesser. So let's say 5. Okay, we are going to see there's going to be less of this information. Can we see a lot of cells actually left here, because it suggests there's not so much of a thing there. So you can, if you want like more accuracy, this thing, just try to increase the sensitivity. Can we see that? And then for the cell, this is very massive. This is impressive, guys. And I've been using this personally myself, and I've been using it to make very good amount of money by trading it manually. Once I get the signal, I trade it manually. And for my bot account as well, it's taking that trade on its own as at that head. Okay, and then can we say this is pretty impressive? I mean, do you know, if you can, let's say you're even trying to take 10 trades in a day, and it's giving you like $100. That is a simple $1,000, which is pretty impressive. That's even by you taking it manually. But then let's say you want okay, let's 3.5, and let's say you want high frequency, then you can put it 1. We can see there's going to be a lot of see, like it's too much, so you don't need this. This is too much. So I'll just suggest you stay with this setting. Let it be 3.5, and let the factor be at 5.6. Just leave it that way. We've already done all the testing and everything that we needed. And then again, we can see you can see how this can actually take trade for us. Okay, so once there is a trade available, because right now there's no trade available on it. Once there's a trade available, it's going to be taking the trade. Can we say the trade is available right now? And that is on US 30, and you took the trade immediately. And once it hits the TP set for it, or the SL set for it, then it's going to be there, right there immediately, for a buy or a sell. And then if a trade comes now, which is actually like maybe a buy, this is actually a buy, and then let's say there is a new signal for sell on Euro USD, this is going to close, and we can see now there's a sell on Euro USD. The bot is going to do that itself and take the trade immediately with immediate effect. I mean, you cannot open 4 trades at once and close it within a minute or within 30 seconds. Even if they are using the bulk operation on MT5, it can work that way. And so this is very great, very great, guys. And then again, you just have to be patient. You have to be patient with the this thing, and then now we have a buy again. So it's the way it works. It's the way it works. You don't have to have any stress. Just fund your account, and then we make the bot run. And then I have these advice I'm gonna say. Once you're about to use the bot and you want to reach out to us, make sure that you have a new Gmail and password, for your trading view. So that is what you're going to log in to set up this on your trading view, and then we'll be able to add you up to the Telegram group bot, and then again be able to set up your MT5 account. I know that this can actually work on every different form of broker, exchange, and other stuff like that. So I mean, this is great. This is just one new signal again. Not just now that I started this video, like this is five signals: sell, the buy, another sell on Hero USD, another buy on gold. So when you can scalp these things, these are very, very, very great, guys. These are very, very great, and I wish us best of luck with the pricing. Yeah, you can just ask us, and then privately, then we're going to roll out and dish out the pricing. But just know that now we are doing like a bonus where we are going to give you the free access to the three aspects of it: the TradingView bot, the Telegram bot, and the one on MT5 to take the trade automatically. For now, we're going to give you that discount for you to use everything for free. But later on, it's going to be a change in price whereby you have to pay for the Telegram bot differently, or you pay, or let's say, for example, you want to be trading gold, it's going to be cheaper because it's going to give you back-to-back signals on gold. But if you want to be trading more than 2-3 assets, there's also going to be different prices for that. And then for the Telegram bots, it's going to be different. The trading view is going to be different, and MT5 algo trading is going to be different. But for now, we are giving you the access to the three, which is very, very, very great. I mean, you get a signal here to make a sell, and this is pretty impressive, guys. Even on higher time frame, we can see something here that is massive. When I say massive, can you see that sell? Can you see that sell? This is great. A break below here, and then we can see how many pips is that. You know, this is insane. This is crazy, guys. Can we see that? Can we see? I mean, brick by brick, just by not doing nothing, and this is telling you what to do on the market. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you.